Hello everybody, my name is Felix, I'm the Chief Sales Officer of LNI, currently present at the Arablab 2023, and I'm here with our newest product on the GBA booth, the HG Mini, the smallest H2 generator in the world, accommodating all the application of gas chromatography, and we have some unique selling points, unique features like the smallest footprint and also a very unique cell design. And please visit the GBA booth for all information, and the GBA team will be here, including me, to help you and to consult you with this very new product we recently launched. Thank you very much.